Whether you're hunting, hiking, or mountain biking, enjoying our public lands is an essential part of being an Arizonan. But right now, our public lands are under attack.
The Roadless Rule, which has protected our national forests from unnecessary road construction and commercial logging for nearly 25 years, is at risk of repeal.
Roadless areas support more than 11,000 climbing routes and boulder problems, 1,000 whitewater paddling runs, 43,000 miles of trail, and 20,000 mountain biking trails across the country.
More than 1.2 million acres of our public land in Arizona is currently protected by the Roadless Rule, including parts of the Prescott, Tonto, Coconino, Kaibab, Apache Sitgreaves, and Coronado National Forests. And we could lose protections for nearly 45 million acres of public land across the country.
If we don't work together as Democrats, Republicans, and Independents, there are millions of Americans who would lose access to the places that they go hiking, camping, fishing, hunting, cycling, skiing, paddling, ATVing, and any other outdoor activity that you could think of. The Roadless Rule has been caught up in political pendulum swings, but there is a way to save it by rejecting the repeal and advocating for a new way forward together.
Protecting public lands is nonpartisan. It's an endeavor that every Arizonan and every American has a reason to get behind. That's why we see a path between the extremes, one that keeps these spaces wild, protects critical ecosystems, and empowers those on the ground to best manage the long-term health of their forests.
Enjoying our public lands is a core part of American life. Protecting them should be too. We must not allow the federal government to strip Arizona's forests and wildernesses of their protections. Join us in protecting the Roadless Rule and our public lands.